Hey everybody, well, you're probably wondering why I'm doing a video on Friday because I typically don't do that. Well, first of all, this video doesn't really have a thumbnail to speak of. There's no clickbaity title, no sponsor on the video. It's not monetized, and the reason for that is I just want to take a minute to talk to you guys about something, right? Now, unless you've been living in a cave, you know exactly what's going on in the world right now. It's kind of scary, and the news is full of it. You know, every paper, every blog, every news channel. And I don't want to talk about that. What I want to talk about is the 3D community. It's very strong. I talk to a lot of you guys in my Facebook group, and I'll put a link below if you want to check that out. And basically, what I'm saying is support each other how you can and where you can, right? I mean, without you guys, I wouldn't have this channel to begin with, and I want to see if I can do something, even if it's just bringing people together, for moral support. So if you are one of those that are affected, I talked to somebody the other day that's basically cut off from his family because borders were closed and so forth. If you are hurting and you want to talk to fellow 3D artists, then check that link out, and talk to them. I'm sure it will help you, right? That's all. So please, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the future video. Bye.